Welcome to English Stories Journey. Do you want to learn English faster? Do you want to feel smarter and more confident? Do you want to enjoy life more? Reading is one of the best ways to do this. Yes, reading. Books, articles, short stories, anything. But many people don't read. Why? They are lazy. They are busy. They say, I don't have time. Or, reading is boring. If this is you, don't worry. Today we will talk about why reading is important, why you should start, and how to read even if you feel lazy. So why is it important to read? 1. Reading makes your brain stronger. When you read, you think, imagine, and learn new words. Your brain works like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. People who read often have better memory and better focus. Reading improves your English. If you are learning English, reading is one of the best ways to learn. You see words, phrases, and grammar in context. You learn how people really speak and write. Reading gives new ideas. Books can show you new ways to think. They can give you advice, stories, or solutions to problems. Even a small story can change your day or your life. Reading reduces stress. After a long day, reading can calm your mind. You forget problems for a while and enjoy the story. Even 10 minutes a day can help you feel better. Reading helps you achieve goals. Many successful people read every day. They read for learning, for creativity, for growth. Reading is not just entertainment, it is a tool to improve your life. Even though reading is very useful, many people do not read. Why? Too many distractions. TV, phone, social media, games. These are easy and fun. Books need effort. Many people choose easy entertainment. Reading feels difficult. Some people think reading is hard. I don't understand words. I read slowly. I get bored. Bad habits. If you never read, it is easy to stay away from books. Laziness becomes a habit. No motivation. If you do not see the benefits, it is hard to start. Some people think, why read if I can watch a video? The good news is, you can change. You can start reading today, even if you feel lazy. Here are some tips. 1. Start small. Don't try to read 50 pages in one day. Start with 5 to 10 minutes. Read one short story, one article, or a few pages. Small steps make a big difference. 2. Choose interesting books. Read what you like. If you love sports, read about sports. If you love travel, read travel stories. If you like history, read a small history book. Reading should feel fun first. 3. Read every day. Even 5 minutes a day is good. Make it a habit. After breakfast, before bed, or on the bus. Your brain will get used to reading. 4. Write down new words. When you see new words, write them in a notebook. Try to use them in sentences. This helps your English and your memory. 5. Use audiobooks or apps. If reading is too hard, listen to a story while reading. You hear words and see them at the same time. This is very effective for learning English. 6. Set small goals. Today, I will read one story. Today, I will read 10 pages. Small goals make you feel successful.
7. Read with a friend. Talk about the story with someone. Share your ideas. This makes reading more fun and motivating.
Here are some practical tips to start reading. Remove distractions. Turn off your phone or TV for 10 to 15 minutes. Make a quiet space for reading. Use bookmarks. Stop in the middle. Use a bookmark. You can continue next time without losing your place. Mix easy and harder books. Start with simple books in English. Then, slowly try more difficult stories. You will improve step by step. Reward yourself. Finish a chapter? Give yourself a small reward. A cup of tea, a short walk, or a favorite snack. Your brain loves rewards. Be patient. Reading is a skill. It takes time to get better. Don't give up. Every page counts. Imagine this. You open a book today. You read a story in English. You learn 5 new words. You feel proud. Tomorrow, you read again. You start understanding more. Your English improves. Your ideas grow. You feel smarter and more confident. One day, you look back. You say, I read every day. I changed my life. Reading is not only about English. It is about personal growth. It is about learning new things, thinking differently, and feeling motivated. You can start today. No excuses. Even 5 minutes today is a good start. Reading is powerful. Reading changes your mind. Reading changes your life. Start small. Choose interesting books. Read every day. Use tips to make it easy. Remember, it's never too late to start. Even small steps make a big difference. So today, take a book. Open it. Read the first page. Your future self will thank you. What tip works best for you? Write in the comments. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more stories.